And 3, 2, 1. What's up mga bad boys? Bago pa lang sa channel ko, mag-subscribe na kayo dyan. At pinutin yung notification bell para update kayo sa mga bagong upload na videos. For more upcoming Sisme video, click to subscribe, like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to comment, like description box below. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, ring the bell button for more updates for new uploads my Disney videos. For today's mail vlog, Bristol 880 R160 model 2024 aspect. SRP pa 159,000 pesos. Engine type single cylinder, 4-stroke liquid cooled. Engine displacement 155 cubic centimeter, 4-stroke. Maximum power 13,000 horsepower at 5,500 RPM. At maximum torque at 14 Newton meter at torque at 8,500 RPM. Injection type fuel injection. Cooling system liquid cooled. Clutch type wet multiplate. Drive type belt drive. No off stroke, 4-stroke, no off cylinder 1, bolt 4 cylinder 4, exhaust pipe single exhaust. At mabibili nyo to sa Bristol, Caloocan or Motorcycle City, Cainta, Motorcycle City, Cabanatuan, Motorcycle City, Batangas, Motorcycle City, Commonwealth, at Motorcycle City, Novaliches. Mabibili nyo to 159,000 pesos. Ito yung bago yung siya, adventure scooter. Ang displacement niya 155 cubic centimeter. Kung lagi kayo nagagawin sa aking channel, lagi kayong mag-subscribe at pinutin yung red bell button para update kayo sa mga bago kong i-upload na videos, para ma-update kayo sa bago kong upload na video. Ito yung bagong upload na video. Ito naman yung yung mga features: ABS, pass switch, traction control, engine immobilizer, anti-theft alarm, side reflectors, backrest, rest control, leg guards, riding modes, engine check warning, wheel lock, front, back, o stability control. Yun yung mga features niya. At puro lagi kayo nagagawi sa akin channel. Dito kayo sa tamang channel ko. Lagi kayo mag-subscribe at pinutin yung notification bell para lagi kayo mag-comment dito sa baba nito. At lagay ko sa description box sa mga kailangan nito. At ang SRP niya 159,000 cash. Pag installment naman niya 20% at 20% nasa 13,000 pesos. Dalawa yung pagbibilan yung kulay. Either matte gray or red semi-glossy red. Dalawang kulay ang nyo. Mapipiliin yung dalawa. Mabibili nyo sa Caloocan to, Caloocan 10 Avenue. Yung type sa engine type niya, single cylinder, 4-stroke liquid cooled. 4-stroke 67.4 millimeter by 75.3 millimeter. At ang horsepower niya man yan 13,000 horsepower at 5,500 RPM. Tapos yung torque naman niya 14,000 Newton meter torque at 8,500 RPM. Link the description box below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and ring the bell button and LED bell button for a more updated for new uploads my videos. Ito mag-ano naman tayo, mag-shoutout nga kay Palo Pusa Motovlog, shoutout nga kay Boss Big Motovlog, shoutout kay Leo Motovlog, shoutout nga kay Jowo Motovlog, shoutout kay Hammerman Motovlog, shoutout kay JTV Katagupay, shoutout nga kay Nats Abdul Motovlog, shoutout nga kay Miss Teki Motovlog, shoutout nga kay Sarah Motovlog, shoutout nga kay HDC Helmets, shoutout nga kay Memory.ph, shoutout nga sa inyo lahat. For more coming seas, don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Ring the bell button and for more updates para more uploads these my videos. See you on the next vlog. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you for watching this my vlog. See you on the next one. Babush.